Hey guys, Rob here from Drive iTech. Today we're installing a 9-inch Android 10 stereo in this 2009 Mk6 Golf. It's a Volkswagen Universal system, so it'll fit in the Golf Mk5, Mk6, and everything you see on the screen right now. The system also comes with a Volkswagen compatible harness, so no soldering or wiring diagrams are needed. So before we get started, I've thrown in a special offer for our viewers in the description. So if you haven't yet got a stereo, now's the time to check it out. Also, thanks for all the support on the previous video. If you like this one, you know what to do. Tools required: pry tool and a T20 Allen key. So to start, use a plastic pry tool to prevent scratching the dash while removing the fascia. Pry from the top and bottom and work your way across. Next, we'll need a T20 Allen key to remove the 4 bolts holding the current stereo in place. Once removed, put the bolts somewhere safe and pull out the stereo. Next, unclip the power/audio cable from the stereo and then remove the antenna cable with a squeeze and pull. So once the original stereo has been removed, we'll set up our new Android stereo. It comes with a few cables to plug into the back of the head unit, so we'll set them up now. We've got the Volkswagen compatible harness. This harness also comes with a canvas box for steering wheel controls. Plug your canvas box into the harness and ensure the lead coming from the box is plugged into the system. Note: unplug this black clip or the system will continue to run when the ignition is off. Now plug in the RCA cable for external mic or extra speaker setups. We're adding 2 USBs to the system as well, which plug into the back and run into the glove box. Next, we plug in the antenna cable where it states ANT. Note, don't push it in too far or you can do damage. And finally, the GPS, which screws in at the bottom and will later stick to the underside of the dash. So before we install our new system, we'll stick the GPS to the underside of the dash, thread the USB through into the glove box, and connect the antenna cable to the one in the car. Then we'll connect our harness to the power cable, flick the clip over, and set our system in place. After testing, we put the 4 bolts back in with the T20 and put the fascia back on. And that's it. Super easy install guys, under half an hour. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Robert out from Drive iTech. Cheers.